Question number 2. Some points are shown in the figure. With the help of it, write answers of the following questions. First, write the coordinates of the points Q and R. See here, Q and R. See this Q. This is in the second quadrant. So, X coordinate is negative. What is that? -2. And Y coordinate, what is? 2. Did you get it? Then R, where is R? R, see this. No? X coordinate 4, comma, Y coordinate -1. This is our answer. Did you get it? Then second, write the coordinates of the points T and M. Answer, coordinates of T and M. See here, T. Where is T? This is T. T on y-axis. T on y-axis. So, X coordinate 0 and Y coordinate -1. M on x-axis. X-axis coordinate is 3 and Y coordinate is 0. Then third, what is which point lies in the third quadrant? Answer, see here, third quadrant. This is third quadrant. I have written already. Which point? Point S. Whose coordinates? -3, -2. Did you get it? Then last one. Which are the points whose X and Y coordinates are equal? Now here no name of this point, that is origin. I will write here O. Did you get it? Therefore, see which are the points whose X and coordinates are equal. That is the point O, which is the origin, no, whose both coordinates are equal. Okay, x coordinate 0, y coordinate is also 0. Did you get it? Question number 3. Without plotting the points on a graph, state in which quadrant or on which axis do the following point lie. First is given 5, minus 3. 5, minus 3. This is our first quadrant. This is first. Both are positive. This is second. See this, minus, plus. X coordinate negative, y coordinate positive. Here both positive. Here our third quadrant. This is our third. And here x coordinate negative and y also negative. This is our fourth quadrant, or we write here IV. Fourth quadrant, positive and negative. Okay, then this is plus 5 minus 3. Then which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. Did you get it? Fourth quadrant. Then second, that is minus 7 minus 12. Both are negative. So third quadrant. Did you get it? Yes. Then third one. What is minus 23 and 4. See this, negative, positive. That is second quadrant. Then fourth one. Fourth, minus 9, 5. Same, negative, positive. So second quadrant. Did you get it? Yes. Fifth, 0, minus 3. 0, minus 3, y-axis. Therefore, on y-axis, because we know coordinate of y-axis, that is minus 3, and this is 0. 6, minus 6, 0. X coordinate we know, minus 6, and this is 0. So on x-axis. Did you get it? Yes. Then next, question number 4. What is question? See here. Plot the following points on the one and the same coordinate system. See here. Plot the following points on one and the same coordinate system. see this point A 1 comma 3, then B minus 3 minus 1, C 1 comma minus 4, D minus 2 3, E 0 comma minus 8, and F 1 comma 0. Did you get it? Now see this carefully. 1 3 1 comma 3 means here. Okay, what is the name? A 1 comma 3. So this way. Okay, then B minus 3 minus 1 minus 3 here minus 3, and this minus 1. Here what is this? B minus 3 minus 1, then C 1 minus 4, 1 and minus 4 means here. This is C 1 comma minus 4. Did you get it? Then D minus 2 3 minus 2 3 minus 2, minus 2 3. Here what is D? Minus 2 3 minus 2 x axis means x coordinate, and 3 y coordinate. E 0 minus 8, 0 x coordinate, and minus 8 y coordinate. Therefore this point is on the y axis. E 0 comma minus 8, F 1 0 1 x coordinate and 0 y coordinate. Therefore this is on the x axis. This is the figure. Question number 6. How many lines are there which are parallel to x axis? Parallel to x axis and having a distance 5 units. Parallel to x axis and having a distance of 5 units. See here, this is x axis, this is x axis, and parallel to this x axis, how many lines are parallel having a distance of 5 units? Here 1 2 3 4 5 units. Okay, then this is the first line. Okay, first line. This is parallel to x axis, therefore y is equal to 5, and here below another one, no, then this way passes through minus 5, coordinate of y axis or y coordinate. Therefore equation of this line is y is equal to minus 5. Then how many lines are there?
2 lines.
There are 2 lines parallel to x-axis having a distance of 5 units. Did you get it? Then question number 7. What is question number 7? See here. If A is a real number, if A is a real number, what is the distance between the y-axis and the line x is equal to A? See here answer. See this answer carefully. See this answer. What is? If A is a real number, A is a real number, what is the distance between the y-axis, this y-axis, and the line x is equal to A? See here. Therefore, see this, x is equal to absolute sign A. Absolute, these vertical lines, that is we say mod or absolute sign. What is the meaning of this absolute sign or mod? When any number, now this real number, this number in these two vertical lines, we say mod, absolute sign, etc. Okay, then when this A comes out, if this is positive or negative, if A is positive or negative, when comes out from this mod or two vertical lines, then answer will be always positive. Answer is always positive. Suppose this is -1, vertical lines, and inside it -1, then that becomes +1. Did you get it? Therefore, x is equal to mod, or we say two vertical lines, A. This is the answer. This is the answer. Means what is the distance between the y-axis and the line x is equal to A? That is the distance. Did you get it? Means x is equal to mod A. We have given mod A. Did you get it? Or vertical lines. This is our answer. Question number 5. In the graph alongside line LM parallel to y-axis, okay, then there are some questions. Question number 1. What is the distance of line LM from the y-axis? This is y-axis and this is line LM parallel to y-axis. Then what is the distance? What is the distance of line LM from y-axis? See here, 1, 2, 3 means the distance of line LM from y-axis. See here, the distance of line LM from the y-axis is 3 units. This is your answer. Okay. Then second, write the coordinates of the points. Second question, write the coordinates of the points P, Q, and R. See this solution. Coordinates of the points P, Q, R. See here. P. Where is P? This is P. Okay. X coordinate 3. X coordinate 3. Y coordinate 2. Did you get it? Then Q. See here. Q. X coordinate 3 and Y coordinate -1, and coordinates of point R. Series are on x-axis, so x coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is 0. Did you get it? Then question number 3. What is the difference between the x coordinates of the points L and M? See here. Question. What is the difference between the x coordinates of the points L and M? X coordinate means here, this is x-axis. X coordinate of L is 3 and x coordinate of M is also 3. Did you get it? Therefore, see here, answer. Difference between the x coordinates of points L and M. Difference is equal to. Now both coordinates are same. X coordinates are same. So 3 minus 3. Difference means subtraction. Bigger minus smaller. But here both are same. So 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Did you get it? These are the answers of these different questions. Okay, write this.